Welcome back to my channel Impart Math Knowledge. This video is about regression. Regression equation of x on y is x minus x bar is equal to bxy y minus y bar. Regression equation of y on x is y minus y bar is equal to byx x minus x bar. Correlation coefficient is the geometric mean between regression coefficients. That is r is equal to square root of bxy into byx. When the standard deviation of x and y and r is given, the regression coefficient bxy is equal to r into sigma x by sigma y and byx is equal to r into sigma y by sigma x. Remember that both regression and correlation coefficients are always lies between 0 and 1. In the given problem, regression equations and variance of x is given. From that we have to find mean values of x and y, standard deviation of y and correlation coefficient. For finding the mean values of x, we need to solve the regression equations. The regression equations are 5x minus y is equal to 22. This is number 1. 64x minus 45y is equal to 24. This is number 2. These are the two regression equations. Solving these equations, we get the mean values of x and y. Multiply first equation with 45, that is 5 into 45 is 225. Minus 45y is equal to 22 into 45 is 990. Write the second equation as it is. 64x minus 45y is equal to 24. Now changing the sign, we get 225 minus 64 is 161x. 45 getting cancelled. The right hand side value is 966. Now x is equal to 966 by 161. X is equal to 6. Substitute x is equal to 6 in any one of the first and the second equation. We get y value. Substitute x is equal to 6. We get minus y is equal to 22 minus 30. So y is equal to 8. The mean values of x and y are x bar is equal to 6, y bar is equal to 8. Step 2, to find the correlation coefficient. Consider the equation 5x minus y is equal to 22. Let it be the regression equation of x on y. This can be written as 5x is equal to y plus 22. X is equal to y by 5 plus 22 by 5. X is equal to 1 by 5, 22 by 5. For finding the correlation coefficients, we need the regression coefficients. The regression coefficients obtained from the regression equations. Here x is equal to 1 by 5, y plus 22 by 5. 1 by 5 is nothing but 0.2, y plus 4.4. X is equal to 0.2y plus 4.4. From this equation, the regression coefficient bxy is equal to 0.2. Consider the equation 64x minus 45y is equal to 24. Let it be the regression equation of y on x. 64x minus 45y is equal to 24. This can be written as minus 45y is equal to 64x plus 24. Now y is equal to minus 64 by minus 45 x minus 24 by 45. Y is equal to minus 64 by minus 45x minus 24 by 45. y is equal to negative sign getting cancelled. 64 by 45 is 1.42, x minus 24 by 45 is 0.533. From this equation, the regression coefficient byx is equal to 1.42. Correlation coefficient r is equal to square root of bxy into byx. bxy is equal to 0.2, byx is 1.42. Correlation coefficient r is equal to 0.533. Step 3, to find the standard deviation of y. The regression coefficient based on correlation coefficient and standard deviation is bxy is equal to r into sigma x by sigma y. Sigma x is standard deviation of x, sigma y is standard deviation of y. We have to find standard deviation of y. R is equal to 0.533. Variance of x is equal to 25. Variance of x is given in the problem. Sigma square x is equal to 25. Standard deviation is nothing but square root of variance. Standard deviation of x is 5. Substitute all the values in bxy. That is bxy is equal to r value is 0.533. Sigma x is 5. Sigma y we have to find. bxy is 0.2. 0.2 is equal to 0.533 into 5 by sigma y. This can be written as sigma y is equal to 0.533 into 5 by 0.2. Calculating this, we get sigma y is equal to 13.325. Calculating this, we get standard deviation of y is 13.325. In this video, I clearly explained how to find mean values of x and y, regression coefficients x and y, and correlation coefficient. Hope you all understand. If you like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.